All right, folks, if you're stepping into the world of comprehension-based teaching, let's break it down and make it super actionable. First off, start by incorporating more target language into your classroom in ways that are meaningful and comprehensible. Think about using props, visuals, and gestures. Yes, get animated. For instance, if you're teaching vocabulary about food, bring in real items or pictures. Show an apple, say manzana, and use it in a simple repetitive sentence like Esta es una manzana roja. Your goal is to create a visual and contextual link between the word and its meaning, making it stick in your students' minds. Next, let's talk about storytelling. This is a game changer. You don't need to be a master storyteller to get started. Begin with short, simple stories that are relevant to your students' lives. For example, create a story about a student in the class or a popular figure they like. Keep it basic. Maria goes to school. She has a dog. The dog is big and brown. Use pictures or even simple drawings to support the narrative. This method not only makes the language comprehensible, but also engaging. Your students will be hooked and they'll be picking up language without even realizing it. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of repetition and routine. Implement daily routines where students hear and use the target language repeatedly. Start each class with a daily question that everyone answers, like, "What day is it today?" or "How are you?" This not only builds their vocabulary, but also their confidence. And here's a pro tip. Use one-verb stories. Focus on one verb and build a story around it. For example, take the verb to go and create a mini story. Carlos goes to the park. In the park, Carlos plays. Carlos goes home. Simple, right? But incredibly effective. These strategies are your quick wins. Implement them, see the magic, and watch your students thrive.